So Lisa and James asked me to go over how we use the word mind in a Jamaican. I'm gonna think to myself, why not? We have two words in a Jamaican which sound identical. But you have to be careful because they mean different things depending upon the context and connotation. Mine are the same thing in a Jamaican as in a English. It shows ownership and is also the name of the place where mining take place. Now, mind in a Jamaican end up sound like mine in a pronunciation because the Jamaican words ending in a ND usually lose the D sound at the end. Now, these are the three main way we use mine. The first way are the same as in a English, as in make up your mind, or how Jamaicans tell you to make your mind up. Or you did up on my mind means you were on my mind or I was thinking about you. The other two ways, warning. When a Jamaican say mine with eyebrows raised, by itself, that's how we consider a stern warning and it's kind of the equivalent to muck around and find out, if you know what I mean. The other way are more like caution. So if we say, mind your drop, or the Jamaican way of telling you, be careful not to fall. Now, this work with any other kind of caution. So just watch out for the mind by itself though, because that get a whole heap of people in a trouble. You know the drill. So whether or not you know about this, let me know in the comments. Feel free for throwing your own examples, but just remember to keep it clean. Thanks again to Lisa and James for the suggestion. Big up yourself. We'll see you upon the next one. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.